talking about the Google Home Mini. Hey guys, Sam here from Unboxing Central, and today we're going to be talking about the Google Home Mini. And the packaging says small and mighty, and by my words, that's actually kind of true. And what the Google Home Mini can do is it can hook up to Nest, it can control Philips, Hue, Wemo, Google Chromecast, Google Photos, Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube. And it can hook up to your phone, your TV, your PC, whatever. And if you want it to get started, all you have to say is "Okay Google," and it would light up. And we don't have it hooked up right now, but this is what it looks like in the packaging. It's round, small, and if you want it to power on, you just click the bottom and you just say "Okay Google," and if you want a mic to go on, you just click that. And we'll set that aside. Take this out. Let's get started. And the instructions are right here. Just open this up. Get to know your Google Mini. Let's get started. That's all that stuff. And here's the wire to hook in. You just plug this in, hook it up to your Google Mini. If you want, you just plug it in right here. And then you just plug this into an outlet or whatever. And then you say "Okay Google," it'll light up like I mentioned before. And that's it, guys. Bye.